Hey, racing fans, Jessica back down here. We're getting ready for heat number 7 with 2 scratches. We're down to a field of 6. Let's take you through the field, through the inside out. We have Gunther, Priya, Callie, Nitra, Dino, and Minnie. After I do the countdown, that is when you guys will release your dogs. 1, 2, 3, go! Look at them go! Look at them go! Oh, we have a winner! Is this Nitra? And what's your name? Lisa. Okay. What the hell? Stand by. Go ahead. I'm here with Lisa and Nitra, the winner of heat number 7. Tell us how old Nitra is and how long you've had her for.
She's 7, and I've had her since she's like 2 months old.
All right, well, congratulations. We'll see you after race number 8 for the final heat on the track.
Thank you.